Other than being a sad Clipper fan today, we did get the t-shirts done. Use the power of interest to pay your loans down faster. Then that's my email. And then on the back it says, consider credit card balance. Consider credit card balance. Should have been consider credit card balance. Okay, it doesn't matter. Just get something out there. That's the one shirt I did. And then the other one I had is cash is my discount. TooOldToBeTooBroke.com. Now, this is the second level of marketing. Now we're just going to go out there, see what happens, get attention, get attention. I went from having the website from the webs to email. Now we're going to go try the email. Most important, consider credit card. Just get them to talk. Just get to talk, like Grant says. Then we'll go from the t-shirt to having a training thing. One thing at a time.